Hey everyone, Alec here with VEED, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a Facebook cover video. So you can turn pretty much any video into a Facebook cover video, but there's a couple of things you need to keep in mind. First of all, the Facebook video cover dimensions are 820 by 312 pixels, so you need to make sure that these are the dimensions for your Facebook cover video to be displayed correctly. Next up, when it comes to the duration of your Facebook cover video, it has to be between 20 and 90 seconds long. With that being said, let's get started on making your Facebook cover video. So the tool we're going to be using to do this is called VEED. So we're going to head over to Google and Google VEED, which is VEED, and we're going to click on the first link, create, edit and share videos online for free. Now we're in VEED. If you don't already have an account, you'll be prompted to create a new one for free. And if you do already have an account, we're just going to click on the new project button in the top left. And now we are in the project editor. So this is where we're going to be uploading the video that we want to turn into a Facebook cover video. So I'm going to click on this pink upload button, and here I'm going to quickly select my video. So I'm just going to choose a paintball montage from a couple of years ago that I have. So as we can see, this is a paintball montage. And the very first thing I'm going to do is actually remove the audio because I do not own the audio from this video. And I'm just going to play it back for you so you can have a quick rough idea. As we can see, it's a paintball montage. If you take a look in the top right, you can actually see the progress of the video upload. And then to the left of that, we actually have the canvas size menu, which is a very useful tool that we're going to be using right now. So if we click on this, we can actually scroll down and we can see a bunch of different dimensions or aspect ratios. And if we scroll down all the way down to Facebook cover, as we can see, it already has these dimensions saved for us, 820 pixels by 312 pixels. So if we just click on that, it automatically resizes our video for it to be reshaped and resized into a Facebook cover video. So now, if I'm happy with it, I can go ahead and click on the download button straight away, because if we take a look, we can actually see that my video is 51 seconds long, and that is between the 20 seconds and the 90 seconds limit that the Facebook cover videos have. So this is perfect. So now if I click play, I have a Facebook cover video. But there's a few things I can do. First of all, I might add some filters or effects. If I go into filters, I might make the colors pop a little bit more, or I can go and adjust, let's say, the exposure and the saturation potentially to make the green pop maybe a tiny bit more. There we go. I can add some images. I can add a bunch of text. If this was going on my personal profile, for example, for some reason, okay, let's just say this is for my paintball business, right? Let's just imagine. I'm writing paintball in big. I'm changing the font. I want it displayed in big in the middle. You could have a paintball club. I'm just resizing this. Perfect, that's in the middle. Make it bold, quickly change the color to white. Maybe not bold. There we go. If I click on advanced, I can also have a little bit of drop shadow. And then if I play it back again, that's perfect. If your video is too long, you can go ahead and quickly just click on your clip and then click and drag to trim. But my video, like we said, is 51 seconds. Now I've removed the sound from my video, so I can go ahead if I want to upload audio, but because a Facebook cover video automatically plays without audio anyway, I don't think the audio is too important. But if you do want to go ahead, you can just click on the upload button and then select some music from your desktop. For example, here I've chosen the Rolling Stones, and then again you just have to trim it down. So if I trim this down all the way there, and now if I click play, as you can see, there's music, and I'm happy with my Facebook cover video. I'm just going to quickly delete the audio and then download it. So I now have my 51-second Facebook cover video that is ready to be uploaded to Facebook as a Facebook cover video. If you have any questions about how to make a Facebook cover video, please let us know in the comment section down below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. That being said, thanks for watching.